Guys, welcome back. It's Tracy with a Y. I'm going to do a quick unboxing. I got my Craft Outlet order, so let's see what I got. Welcome. Welcome if you're new. Welcome back if you're a regular. I appreciate all of you. This was on my front porch this morning. So, all right, let's see. Craft Outlet is my favorite online store. Great quality stuff. They ship really fast. So I just love them. Okay. It's a metal sign. I think this is cool. This reminds me of my boss, Penny. She loves like nautical stuff. Thought I got 2 of those. Maybe not. Okay. The whole reason I did this order was to get some of these because I sold a wreath. I made a wreath and sold it. And then she wanted one just like it, which I didn't make it exactly like it, but very similar. So that's what this is. I think I got 2 of these. They're cute. Toe coop. Like Juji. Okay. And I love these. I'll probably make something with this today. Maybe. Isn't that cute? And it's actually thick. I mean, it's pressed wood, but it's pretty. I probably should have got more. Story of my life. I should have got more. I should have bought them all. Okay. That metal compass, I did order 2 of those. Maybe it's in the bottom. Craft Outlet has never shorted me of anything. So let me see how many of these I got. I just got 2 of these. I should have got more. This is the only ribbon I got. I got a couple watermelon signs, cute, from Hobby Lobby. So I thought these might make that too. That's cute. They're 50-yard rolls too. Okay. You know I get all my mesh from Craft Outlet, or at least 99% of it. This would be great for fall. It's like an ombre. It is ombre. Got this navy. I thought maybe if I did a mesh wreath, I could do that with that. Got 2 rolls of black. This is the poly mesh, which is really good. It makes beautiful little butterflies. And then I got one that has the wide stripe on the end. This kind of reminds me of Hobby Lobby mesh, kind of. I got some with black. Got some green, candy apple green. That will look good with the watermelon. This will too. Another roll of the navy. I love this fabric mesh. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Got 2 of those. Yellow. Okay. don't remember why I ordered this. Ordered it for some reason. Don't recall. I don't know. An orange? Those are smaller than I thought. I usually get the bigger ones. I got these for Christmas, of course. Yeah, I thought these were bigger. These make cute scarecrows. They're metal. Aren't those cute? These are big sellers in the fall time. I'll sell all three. This is cool. So cool, so cool. I really like this. It's a metal sign. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, but I love this one. And I got 3 of those. These are good quality. Yep, and there's, see, I told you they've never shorted me anything. And I've got 2 of these. Okay, make sure I got 3. That's why those metal faces were so inexpensive, because they were smaller. I usually get them this size, the scarecrow. Anyways, that's my order, guys. I'll have time to make some stuff. My favorite thing is either this and probably this in the farmer's market. But I'm going to have to look on Pinterest to find something with this. I mean, I'm sure I can do something with this, but I love it. Anyways, guys, that's all I have for today. Thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing. If you have any questions or if you want any barcodes on any of these things, I will upload them for you. You guys have a nice day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.